Let it go, guys. Baka naman, pwede kayo bumili ng mahal, ng chili garlic. 2 points, 83, 106, 40 seconds remaining. And I lose the ball. This will get people from penalty line. Who lose the ball? Oh my God!
Last one lang sana.
23 seconds remaining. The team will let it die down. Let the clock run out. Congratulations to UP. Gallant effort ng Alaska. Finals will be on Thursday between Adamson and UP. Salamat po sa mga pumalo sa ating free. Thank you, Alex Edwards.